Makeover of my headphone. How and why? Just go through the video. That's my boat Bluetooth headphone which was torn due to heat and sweat. So I don't want to discard it because everything is good apart from that loop. So I have this magic tape. I bought it from South City Starmarks. It was 50 rupees. So first I thought to cover it with the tape. Because I want to give a new look and I want to protect the cable. So I'll show you how to do this. First you have to cover it with the magic tape, not the normal plastic tape that won't last long. As it's torn from everywhere, that's why I have to cover it with this magic tape. You can find anywhere the magic tape, the white one, and after that first cover properly. And I got this cable protector that is from Amazon. It was due to the offer, it was price was 99 rupees, 1.4 meter. I will share the buying link in the description box definitely. Sorry for my voice because I already got cold, so it will take few time, but patiently you can do it. So what I will suggest, my cable is already torn, so to protect it you don't have to use the tape if you are using from the very first moment. So from the next time I will use any cable, I will use this protector. So after the makeover I use it, and it's sweat proof, waterproof definitely, so you can protect your any kind of cable like this. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen or Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, and definitely in Google as well. So if the cable is already torn, don't remove the magic tape, just cover over it with the cable protector. Hope you all enjoy the video and you can use this hack as well for yours. Bye bye.